friends, in my last video I told you something about the months, that how you can remember the days of the month in a year. Now, as I promised, I will tell you how to figure out that if a year is a leap year or not. For example, this is 2023 that is running. Any number of year that we are into, we have to just divide that simply by 4. In case the number is completely divisible by 4, then it's a leap year, else it is not. So let's check it. So 2, we put across here, 20 we take. 4 5s are 20. We'll subtract that, that is 0, that is 0. Now we'll drop down 2 here, 4 zeros are 0. 2 will be as it is, 3 will drop down here, 3. So, how can we divide 23 by 4? 4 5s are 20. We have a remainder 3 here. So, 2023 is not a leap year. Let's check another year. That is the coming year which will follow us. 2024. If I divide this by 4, put across here, 4 5s are 20. Subtract, that's a 0, that's a 0. Drop down 2 here, 4 zeros are 0. 2 here, drop down 4 here, it's 24. 4 6s are 24. Remainder is 0. So, we know that 2024 is a leap year and 2023 is not. And why did we do so? Because we know that leap year occurs in every 4 years. So, the 4th year has 29 days in February. The other 3 years have 28 days in February.